Next up, topic two-step equations for delta math. Our first one is 3s minus 12 equals negative 21. So you want to undo your constant and then undo your coefficient. So think about, and every equation is a little bit different, but on these basic two-step equations, you want to do the addition and subtraction, and then you want to do the multiplication or the division. Think of it as like your weaker bond with your variable is going to be undone first, and then your stronger bond is going to be undone next. So I like to think of like adding and subtracting are like the variable's cousins, and multiplying and dividing are like the variable's siblings. So you want to, like, if you're at a party, you want to do the get rid of this negative 12, right? Do the opposite, add 12 to both sides. And I always tell my students, build a balance first, because you have to remember, like, whatever you're doing to the left, you have to do the right. Staying organized makes a huge difference when you're doing these kinds of problems. So I got rid of that cousin. The opposite of subtracting 12 is adding 12, right? So if I said I lost $12 and I found $12, that cancels out. But I still have my sister 3, okay? Negative 21 and positive 12 is going to be negative 9. And now I need to get rid of my sister. Sorry, sis, I love you, but you're gone. Multiplying, the inverse operation of multiplying is dividing. Divide that 3 out of there, so your S is all alone at the party, kind of like he wants to be. And negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3. Okay, and they show you that step by step in the solution if you move that, and they tell you what to do when. So it's really a nice way of getting that explanation. Okay, next one. Ooh, I showed you the answer first accidentally. Here's your cousin. You want to undo the cousin, and you want to undo the sibling. So I'm going to, the opposite of adding 72 is subtracting 72, okay? Cancels that out, so I just have 8t equals 0. Actually, that worked out nicely. And if I divide that 8 away to get rid of it, do that inverse operation, 0 divided by anything is actually just 0. So that's all you got to do for that one. On this one, the order changed just a little bit. Don't let that throw you off. We're going to undo the cousin, the addition or subtraction, take that 6 out of there. Okay. Positive and a negative 6. Cancel that like they were never there. I still have a positive 6y. It's important that you know that's positive because there's a plus sign in front of it. And then negative 30 minus 6 is negative 36, even lower, even smaller than negative 30. Divide that 6 away on both sides, and y equals a negative 6. If you're not sure, plug it back in. What's 6 times negative 6? Negative 36 plus 6, negative 30. It checks out. We did it. We're awesome. Congratulations. Happy delta mathing.